So, just wanted to post a new video of the stack here. Biggest edition that just came in, 5-ounce silver bar from Sunshine Mint. I'm all about Sunshine Mint, probably just going to keep buying their products. What is this, a 1/2 ounce or something? Yeah, that's a nice one. I'm just going to keep buying Sunshine rounds. Oh, there's the 1/2 ounce right there. Okay. This is also another 1/2 ounce, a little Buffalo, and another, full ounce. I got the Liberty Bell recently. That's pretty nice. New Zealand, really like the New Zealand one. So, right here. Still have our lonely gram of gold. Might be finding him some friends soon. And then any of these little one-off things that I buy, that's just for fun. These little presidential dollars, they're cool. My Maryland quarter, whatever. I mean, that's kind of like just my collecting side. People want to talk about investments. I do have something to say about all this. If you are just kind of tracking the price of metals, you don't have to own metals. Let's say, you think gold's going to go up in price. You don't need to own 5 bars of gold in your house. I mean, that's kind of sketchy. What if someone breaks in? What if there's a fire? I know that you can have safes and all that kind of stuff. I know there's precautions you can take. But you could just buy the ETF GLD. It just tracks the price of gold. So, if you want to own gold, just buy GLD. You don't need to really have gold in your house. I do it because it's fun. It's kind of a hobby for me to have silver. I'm going to add some gold. But you don't need to own the metals in your house. You can invest. Stocks like Goldcore, GG ticker. Things like that. You could buy companies that mine these metals, and then if the prices go up, their revenues are going to go up. Therefore, their stock prices are going to increase. So you could do things like that. You don't really need to have a treasure chest in your house. I've talked about it many times. I'm not one of those apocalyptic guys. I do not care about the end of the world. If the end of the world happens, I'm taking my gun and I'm taking a backpack and food. You know what we can do? Old people own tons of metal, right? Chances are they would not survive a collapse. We could loot houses for metals if we really needed them. It is not an issue for me. I don't care to have silver on me, at the initial onslaught of, the end of humanity or whatever all these people that stack say is coming. That's not happening. So I'm just going to have my silver because I think it's going to double in price. That's why I have it. I think that it's a useful tool. Also, I think that it's just a fun way for me to have a reserve fund. I think this might be like $400 worth of silver, but I'm going to keep in gold. So I'm going to keep going and keep adding silver until I have about $1,000 or $2,000 worth of silver. And then I'm just going to, go from there. Maybe I'll continue collecting, or I'll start buying things that are valuable just because of what they are, not because of, any sort of metal. Like I might, go buy some rare collectible coins or something like that. I don't know. I might buy some Magic cards or Pokemon cards. I'm always interested in those kind of things because that's fun. But it's also kind of investing, but I keep most of my money in the market, and that's the way it's going to be, a diversified portfolio. Nothing can beat that. Nothing in the history of investments can beat a diversified portfolio. So, this is just a fun side thing for me. Looking at a bonus coming up in the next quarter, probably going to be like 7,000. So I'll probably end up buying a bunch of stocks, might buy some silver, might buy some 10-ounce silver bars. I do like the big boys. That's really cool. I just love having that much silver. That's sweet. Don't care to protect all this. Don't care about the condition. I would only liquidate if the price was like 30 or higher, or if, bad times came. So again, just talking about my investment views. A lot of stackers out there don't know anything about the market, and they don't know the potential. And if they did, they would probably invest in stocks instead. This is just for fun for me. The real returns are in the market, and that's where you make money. And you don't even have to gamble. You don't have to bet. All you have to do is buy and hold, invest in well-financed American companies. I mean, all you got to do is buy the Dow Jones, and you're going to retire a millionaire. I hope to have at least $5 million by the time I retire at age 55. But I can't really get into too much detail about all that kind of stuff. So there we go. And again, I'm 25 years old, working at building my wealth and want to be rich as hell when I grow up. And if you want to, go read about it. Go read about how time is worth more than money when it comes to investing. All right, you guys have a good day. Thanks for all feedback. Please like and subscribe, okay?